Hello everybody, welcome back to Gradual Financial Freedom. This is James. This will be our 6th episode on our stock sector breakdown. This is going to be over the consumer discretionary sector. Now before we get into it, I do want to say I will be putting a link to the last video down below, and I will be putting an e-card here to the entire playlist. First, we're going to go over the stock sectors. The first ones on the list is healthcare, utility, and consumer staples. The cyclical is technology, financial, consumer discretionary, basic materials, real estate, communication, industrial, and energy. Okay, so what is the consumer discretionary? As you can see below, consumer discretionary is the products and services that are non-essential. The sector includes things like apparel, restaurants, leisure, entertainment, travel, cars, things like that. First on the list is going to be Western Midstream Partners, ticker WSE. Yahoo Finance says that currently they're undervalued and their short term appears to be down, mid-term up, long-term down. WES pays a 0.62 dividend. They pay the second month of each quarter, so that is February, May, August, and November. TipRanks currently has 3 analysts watching it. They have a low between 22 and a high between 23, but they're currently trading at 20.69. That is up, so that is something to watch for the next year. Next we have Tapestry, ticker TPR, and you can see Yahoo Finance has it listed as near fair value. They say the short term is most likely up, mid-term up, long term might be down. Tapestry has 33.8 cents per share dividend. They pay the first month of each quarter, January, April, July, and October. Currently there are 11 analysts watching Tapestry. They're thinking that by this time next year it'll go to either $25 low to $35 high, with the medium average around $28.89. With it trading at $27.09, that is still up, so it's something to watch to see where it's heading. Next on my list of stocks that I'm watching is China Yucha International Limited, ticker CYD. Right now Yahoo Finance has it listed as undervalued. They say the short term should be up, mid-term should be up, long term might be down, and it is trading at $13.62. They pay one dividend per year of 85 cents, and it does fluctuate. The current one, or the last one, was 85 cents. They go anywhere between 65 cents up to $2, and they pay every July. Unfortunately, TipRanks has no one watching it at this time, so I have no idea where it's going to go, but it's still on my watch list. Next on the list is Granite Co. Inc., ticker GCI. With this one, I'm actually doing something contrary to what I've been saying in the past. This one stock, you can buy 15 of them for $100, so it does make it very volatile, very risky. But watching over the last month and 3 months, week trend, it looks like it has bottomed out and it's starting to rebound. Now, I'm not telling anyone to buy this, but I'm thinking that this may actually turn around and start coming back. Currently, Yahoo Finance has it listed as near fair value. They currently pay a 38-cent dividend. They pay the third month of each quarter. That is March, June, September, and December. TipRanks also is not helping with this because of the fact that nobody is currently watching it. So I have no idea where this is going to go. My plan is only to buy 7 of the 15 shares that I could buy for 100, see where it's going to go over the next couple days, and then maybe possibly put in the rest. So with that, this is the stocks that I am planning on picking for my consumer discretionary, or the ones at least I'm watching. And if you have followed so far and done everything, here would be the dividends that you would be receiving. Now with us putting in the consumer discretionary, you would have $2,400 invested. Your total yearly dividend would be $161.95, with your dividend yield coming in now at 6.75. So now for something a little bit different than what I've been putting in the last few times. I'm actually adding a new thing to my list to show us how my picks have actually been doing since the day that they were released. So if you would have bought all the stocks that I put on there the day of release, so when they came out onto YouTube, this is what you'd be looking at right now. Here you could see the majority of my stocks actually have gone up. There have been a few downturns, but there would be a $30.82 gain overall. All of the health sector is up, all of the utility is up, one of the consumer staples is down. I am 50-50 when it comes to technology. Finance, unfortunately, I am 4 for 4 down. And today's stocks are where they are with the zero because, well, the markets have not opened yet today. Before I list the entire stocks of the consumer discretionary, I do want to state again, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, look over these things, figure out which ones are in your best interest, and then do it as necessary. This list is nothing more than show you, hey, these are a lot of the options out there for you to pick for this sector. Well, now with that being said, here's the entire list of the consumer discretionary. Now, like for the financial one, I did break it down into two, so here's the top half. You can see here that Wendy's is about the middle. It has a 15.75% margin, ticker WEN. You can see Tapestry is up on this top list. So is West. West is near the top. There also is a overall market, ticker XLY, and that will get you a lot of consumer discretionaries. Then we go down to the bottom half, and you will see on this bottom half, Granite, ticker GCI, shows that you can get 15 shares, and if it stays currently at 38 cents a share, you'll be making $22.80 a year off of it, or $5.70 per cycle. So now again, if you have liked what you've seen, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up icon, help me out on that. I do have a link for Robinhood below if you are wanting to get into investing, or if you want to get into dividend investing and you just have not started yet. If you click that link, you'll get a free stock, I'll get a free stock. You don't even have to put money in to get that free stock, so you just get that one free stock right off the bat. Other than that, I do hope that these videos have been helpful, and I wish you the best of luck on your path to gradual financial freedom.